Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Tricelle. I am an adult doll collector and this is Mama Doll Boss. Today I am making some miniatures. So I am going to start off with some chocolate chip cookies. So I'm adding some paper, water, and glue and paint. And then you stir that all up until it looks like the consistency of mashed potatoes. Add some chopped craft foam for the chocolate chip factor, and then once they have you sculpted them and they've dried, then you add some color to them. I'm using an old eyeshadow palette, but you can use chalk pastels as well. And then you just add the color so that they look like they have been baked. And then I just add a layer of Mod Podge, and then this is them partially dry. And once they've all the way dry, I'm going to add them to this Chips Ahoy printable and put them in a plastic bag, and then there you have it, Chips Ahoy with cookies inside. Now I don't do anything special. All I do is just search up the printable that I'm looking for. In this case, I'm going to be, for the example, I'm going to be looking up the Cheetos miniature, and you see here that it is free on Pinterest, and then you just click download, and then you can print the printable and then go from there. So I did do the same thing when I printed all these candy bars. I just looked them up on Pinterest, downloaded them, and then print them. And then now I'm going to cut them out so I can shape them and then make them some candy bars. And all I'm going to do to give them thickness is add a layer of craft foam to them, so that way it looks like there's candy inside of the packaging, and then you just go from there. When I printed the potato chip bags here, I forgot to scale them. They are extremely small, so they're going to be like the kind for the miniatures for like the kids. And then here's the candy. Okay, so now you see me actually making the Cheetos bag that I showed you how to get the printable before, so that it is a nice size for the dolls. So now I'm making the miniature cereal boxes. I just actually scanned the cereal that I purchased because I recently purchased some Lucky Charms. I got them free because I do couponing, and I just scanned them in, and then that's how I got the boxes. But again, you can just Google search the miniatures and you're able to download them free. That's how I did all the ones that I printed anyway. So another way you can make miniatures is using sales ads. I'm using this Sam's Club ad that I got, and I'm just going to cut out various packages and then fill them up and then make them miniatures for my dolls. Now some of them are offset, so I'll show you two versions. You can make one like 2D, it's not really 3D, not like a miniature, and then these obviously are 3D because I'm filling them up, and then I just added tape to close them. But then I did show some that's like off center. They're not printed straight, but you can make a 2D version. So these are the ones, just the packagings that I made just by, cutting them out and then filling them up. And then those I'm adding craft form, but the other ones, all the other three are going to be like 2D. So I'm showing you now, like if you just cut them, the way the picture looks is 2D. So it's not really, but I mean, it'll look good in the dollhouse. It could be good filler. So here, all of the pictures are straight, so I am going to cut them out and then add them to packaging or boxes, so that way they're miniatures and you can just use the printout. You don't have to print anything, and you're recycling, so it's good for the planet and it's cute. And I'm just sketching out a box for the packaging, and then you can go from there. So let me know in the comments which craft is your favorite. Do you enjoy the printables, or do you like, make it mini or mini brands, or do you like to utilize the sales ad to make your miniatures? I mean, that's recycling and that's free, so I really enjoy that. I like it all. It doesn't matter. I like it all. But just drop down in the comments and let me know your thoughts on that. And then I do want to thank each and every one of you for watching. I appreciate all of you guys so much. And also give me a like, share the video, and also again, please comment, give me your thoughts. And if you haven't done so already, please subscribe to my channel. I would love to have you to the family. I post new videos every single week, and I'm always posting a short because I'm crazy about miniatures and Barbie and 1/6 scale items in general. Either way, it's been a lot of fun. I'm going to be posting another video pretty soon, and please again give me a big thumbs up if you enjoyed, and I will see you in my next video. I hope each and every one of you have a super fantastic day, and I will see you in my next video. Bye.